Do you want to improve your chances of finishing strong with your Etsy shop Q4, the last quarter of the year? Of course you do. This episode will give you 5 things you can do in your Etsy shop right now to finish the year off with a bang. Do you know why there's a Black Friday and what that actually means? It gives retailers a chance to finally get out of the red and into the black. Most online businesses are the same way. You've had slow sales the last few months. So have a large percentage of other retailers, major retailers, small businesses, and Etsy sellers. But Q4 is your chance to finish the year with a bang and get into the black. Get over the slump, get over the hump of slow sales. Here are 5 things you can do to kill it this Q4. But real quick, I have something for you as usual that will pair nicely with this episode and give you additional strategies to help you drive more sales in Q4. It's my Etsy SEO Revealed Guide. It has tactics to help you with SEO, keyword best practices, and tons of other tips and strategies in addition to this episode that will help you grow your shop that you can implement today. You guys can get that at handmadeandbeyond.com/Etsy SEO success. All right, let's dive in to the 5 things you can do this Q4. Number 1, seasonal and holiday items. This is one of the best things you can do to give yourself a boost Q4 and throughout the year. Target major holidays, major events, occasions, seasonality items. Within your niche, there are, I guarantee you, at least a few holiday/seasonal items, events that you can target to increase sales. So get those products listed now. Start thinking about what you can offer for the upcoming holidays, especially Christmas, but you've got Halloween, you got Thanksgiving, you can even get prepared for New Year's as well. Think about your niche, think about your audience, think about what you already have for sale and what you can bring to market to sell to capitalize on these huge traffic events. There's tons of traffic coming on Etsy through these holidays and occasions. You just have to target the market, introduce products, introduce keywords that target that huge market and capitalize on it by getting more sales by offering those type of products. That is number 1. Number 2 is sales incentives to stand out. Sales incentives and promotions to stand out. Come up with a promotional calendar. When are you going to offer sales? What amounts are you going to offer off? Are you going to offer sales for specific holiday items? Are you going to offer sales for your entire shop? Are you going to offer coupon codes? What are you going to do this Q4 to give yourself a boost by using sales and promotions to help drive traffic and also drive conversions? There's a reason big box stores always offer sales, because it works. So think about your business, think about your margins. What can you offer? You can even change your pricing to account for a sale. You can raise your prices, you can lower your prices, but I highly recommend offering routine sales, targeting different events and holidays, and especially those sales event type holidays, Black Friday sale, Christmas sale, Thanksgiving sale. You can even use sales after the holiday to liquidate some of your items, some of your holiday items. It's a good thing to do. Big box stores do it because it works. Think about your business and if you want to offer that. Number 3, a marketing plan and outreach. So if you have an email list, if you have social media, think about how you're going to leverage that audience to drive more traffic to your business, to increase conversions and get more sales in your business. What are you sharing? What type of value are you adding to that audience? Don't just think about it in terms of saying, hey, buy my thing. Hey, here's a sale. Here, buy these things. Don't think about it like that. Think about how you can add value and then offer them to buy your thing at a discounted rate. So what type of value are you adding? And then what type of promotions are you giving out to your audience? Think about that. Be strategic about it. And this is something you should be doing year round, not just for Q4. Building value, thinking about what you can offer your audience that will build loyalty. And then when it comes time to offer a sale, they're going to bite, come in, buy, and increase your revenue. And that brings us naturally to number 4, keyword targeting and a shop refresh. Think about your shop. Think about the products that you offer. Can you change your keywords to target a different audience or a bigger audience or a seasonal audience with what you already have? Think about the products that you have. Can they be a Christmas gift? Can they be a Thanksgiving gift? If not, think about new products that you can offer through keywords and keyword research. So think about that, what keyword research that you can do, what keywords you can change to target that millions of buyers that are about to come your way. You can target a lot of people with strategic keyword use. You just have to dive in and do that research for those keywords, refresh your shop, refresh your featured items, refresh your banner image to seasonality, holiday items that you're offering to help increase conversions when people are coming to your shop. Change your pictures. If you have items that could work as a Christmas gift and they're items you sell year round, maybe you want to update the picture and include Christmas type stuff in the picture so people automatically know, okay, this would make a good gift. Even if it's like a wallet you sell normally, well, that's going to be a great gift for dad. So maybe you want to throw in a stocking, some ribbon in the picture, and people will automatically think about that in terms of a Christmas gift and not a wallet they can get. Fifth item is trends and popular items in your niche. This is something that you can use a research tool such as Alora for. You can research trends, popular items. You can see what is selling, what your competitors are selling. Think about your niche and what you can then sell to capitalize on what's doing well. If items such as Thanksgiving decor is doing really well, you're not going to offer the same thing, but maybe within your vibe, within your niche, you're going to then offer your own brand of Thanksgiving decor to try and sell, to increase revenue, increase sales, profits, all that good stuff. But you have to use a third-party tool usually to see what's popular, what's trending. Alora, you can search by monthly sales, you can search by overall sales, you can search by traffic, by visits to see what's trending, what's popular, what people are buying. So those are the top 5 things that you need to start doing right now for Q4 to get a nice boost, to get in the black, to finish the year strong. So it will help you get ready for the following year because you had a strong Q4. Don't forget to get that Etsy SEO revealed guide at handmadeandbeyond.com/Etsy SEO success. Free download. It pairs nicely with this episode. But that's it for this episode. Do those things. Start now. Dive in. I'll be back soon with another episode for you guys.